Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on Android. To get started, simply long press your home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This action activates the Circle to search overlay. Make sure your Android device is running the necessary software update to access this powerful feature. You might also want to check your device settings to confirm it's enabled, ensuring a smooth experience. Once activated, you can easily perform a search. Just circle, highlight, or even scribble over any item on your screen that you want to learn more about. The system immediately analyzes your selection, providing relevant search results without leaving your current app. This works incredibly well whether you're looking at an image, reading text, or browsing within any application. To get even more precise results, you can refine your searches. After circling an item, you can add text to your query in the search bar that appears, making your search much more specific. For images, try pinching to zoom in before you circle, which helps you select exactly what you intend. You can also use the search bar to modify or expand your initial query easily. Circle to search offers significant benefits, primarily saving you valuable time by eliminating the need to switch between apps to find information. You can instantly discover details about anything visible on your screen, from products to places. A quick tip: experiment with different circling and highlighting gestures to find what works best for you, ensuring you get the most out of this intuitive feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.